This is a 7035 Rev G pivot lock bolt. To disassemble you take out the MS 24693-24 screws on the back. Once the 7043 mounting plate is removed, you'll also take out the 294 countersink screws here and here. To remove the 7021 cover plate. Underneath the 7021 cover plate, you'll see that there is 4 MS 24693-1 countersink screws. Once those screws are removed, it will release the 7013 handle crown. Next, you want to remove the 6 MS 24693-2 screws on the front of the 7032 main body bolt, which releases the 7025 handle mounts. Also remove the MS 24693-1 countersink screws to release the 400-0450 springs. And all sides out at once. This also releases the 7161-1 and 2 pivot blocks. Here's your last two MS 24693-6-2 screws, which releases the 7042 bolt housing. You also want to remove the 250166 countersink screw. And it releases the 650064 compression spring. At the same time, your 7019 pusher is released. All that's left is the 7032 main body. For reassembling, you have the 7013 handle ground. You have the 7019 pusher. You have that 7021 cover plate. You have two 7025 handle mounts. You have one main 7032 main body bolt. You have one 7033 bolt and bolt housing. You have a 7043 mounting plate. You have a 7161-1 and 2 pivot block independent left hand, right hand. You have one 250-166 countersink screw. You have 6 MS24693-1 countersink screws. You have 6 MS24693-2 countersink screws. You have 2 GSI 294 countersink screws. You have 2 MS24693-24 countersink screws. You have one 650-064 compression spring. Attached inside this pivot block is MS16555-620 pins, and you have two 4000450 compression springs. You start with your main body bolt 7032 and your bolt housing 7042. Insert that first, move it out the way, and tack your MS24693 6-2 countersink screws. Screw in your bolt housing. A little bit. Also, you want to put the 250-166 screw this time you want to put your 650064 compression spring in. Then finish tighten your MS24693-2 countersink screws. This time you can check for function. Next you want to the handle mounts 2500025 and your 7161-1 and 2 pivot blocks. Insert MS24693 6-2 countersink screws. Next you want to get your MS 24693-1 countersink screws. Insert your GSI 400 0450 springs. Clip side up. Next you'll insert the 7019 pusher while lifting down on the button. Take the 7013 handle crown, reattach the 4 MS 24693-1 countersink screws. This time I'm going to take for function. If everything functions correctly, you want to install your 7021 cover plate with your GSI 294 countersink screws. Last is your 7043 mounting plate installed with the MS 24693-24 countersink screws. There you have the 7035 bolt, pivot latch bolt.